Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and device state. Back up everything and charge to 80% or more. Once done, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging. Then request an official bootloader unlock or use the vendor tool. Download the compatible OS image, latest recovery, E, G, TWRP, and device drivers to your PC. Make sure file names match the device code name to avoid mismatches. You're now ready to connect the phone and run the first fast boot. You'll flash a custom recovery to manage the new OS image safely. Reboot to bootloader, run fast boot flash recovery, IMG, and then boot directly into recovery to avoid overwriting. In recovery, wipe cache, dalvik/art, and perform a factory reset only if required by the ROM. Now sideload or install the ROM zip. If you need Google services, install GApps after the ROM. Make sure you follow the ROM sequence and wait for each verification to finish before proceeding. You finish by rebooting into the new OS and giving the first boot ample time. Some setups take several minutes. Once the system is stable, restore your backups, reinstall apps, and reauthorize accounts and permissions. Check cellular, Wi-Fi, camera, and sensors quickly so you can fix issues early. If something goes wrong, like a boot loop, don't panic. Reboot to recovery, clear cache, and try reflashing the ROM or restore your Nandroid backup. That single troubleshooting step often resolves common problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.